What are you coming up to me? Why are you coming up to me? Why are you coming up to me asking me what am I doing? Do you know what I'm doing? I'm trying to use the photosensitive light systems.
Don't do it.
Listen, don't tell me don't. I'll do it to whatever I want to.
Okay.
Who are you?
I'm a police officer.
Are you?
So
no, you're not a police officer.
Out.
You're just a member of the public.
Come on, come round to...
You're just a member of the public.
Round to the station.
You're a member of the public. Prove to me you're a police officer.
Just wait there.
No, I'm not going to wait here. Get lost. Don't tell me what to do. What do you mean, where am I going? Going where I want to go.
Where are you going?
I'm going where I want to go. Don't listen. Don't touch me. Do not touch me.
Wait here.
No.
Wait.
No. Prove that you're a police officer. Don't touch me. I'm standing in the...
Don't push me.
I'll push you. You're a member of the public.
I'm a police officer.
No, you're not. Yeah.
Look at that.
Don't start with me.
Okay.
Don't touch me.
Mate.
Don't call me mate either. Don't call me mate.
Calm down.
You calm down. Get out of my way.
The sergeant sets the tone from the very beginning. Dressed in plain clothes, he approaches Yardley aggressively and immediately orders him to stop filming without first identifying himself. Without a uniform or a proper introduction, he looks like any other member of the public. Yardley is right to ask for proof that he is a police officer. That's not being difficult, it's basic common sense. A plainclothes officer should clearly identify themselves and explain why they are intervening. Instead, the sergeant quickly becomes physical, blocking Yardley's movement and pushing him before properly establishing his authority. When Yardley asks for identification again, the sergeant only flashes a badge briefly without clearly giving his name, rank, or a proper explanation.
He's assaulting me.
What's going on?
What do you mean you saw him push him? There's cameras up there and I'm making sure I'm getting the camera. He hasn't identified himself. He's a member of the public.
Yes, he's holding his head.
I don't care. He hasn't said who he is. Let go of me. Let's go. Of course he does.
Recording the...
Of course I am. I'm in a public place. Listen, let go of me.
Will you stop
let go of me. If you touch me as well, who are you? Identify yourself.
I'm police officer Paul Veazey, Sergeant Veazey, based at this police station.
So why didn't you identify yourself when I told you to?
Because I asked you what you were doing.
I don't care. You're a member of the public. Until you identify yourself, you're a member of the public. Is he not a member of the public until he identifies himself?
No.
Of course he is. And then he's trying to tell me...
Listen to what he's saying, because he's detained you at the minute.
Take your bag off, please.
No. No.
Okay, I will take your bag off.
Stop. If he touches me, you know this is unlawful.
No, because you're detained for a search.
Under what section? Under what section?
Calm down.
Under what
Stop
section?
grabbing me.
Under what section? Why are you detaining me for a search first? Under what section? Under what section?
Will you stop grabbing
me? Under what section?
Calm down.
Under what section is he stopping me and detaining me?
When another officer arrives, the situation is already poorly handled. The sergeant has detained Yardley without clearly explaining why. In fact, the second officer has to tell Yardley that he has been detained because the sergeant failed to do so himself. Under Section 28 of PACE, officers must inform someone that they are being detained and explain the grounds at the time of the detention. When Yardley asks under what legal power he is being detained, the sergeant avoids answering. Instead of giving a clear explanation, he hesitates and appears unsure about the legal authority he is relying on. Officers should always understand and clearly explain the legal powers they are using before restricting someone's liberty.
You can do whatever you want to do, but under what section? Until he tells
the one that's detained you.
Tell him. Ask him what section.
Right, take your hand out.
No, ask him what section.
Section 43 of the Terrorism Act.
And what makes you think I'm a terrorist?
Because you are recording police officers' number plates.
Which I can't. No.
Through a gate.
That doesn't. No, listen.
You tell me what you're doing.
He's overstepping his boundaries right now, and he's assaulting me, constantly assaulting me.
He's told you to take it now.
Alright then, I'll relax, alright then. Wait.
Take your bag off then.
Just wait.
You're saying you relax, take your bag off.
Alright, listen, I've got a camera in my hand. I'm trying to do
We've got cameras on us.
too many things at once. But I can.
Film what you like. Why are you filming inside
If I can film what I like, which is just what you've just said.
Why are you filming inside
because
the station?
I can, lawfully. I'm not doing anything wrong, illegal, nothing.
No one showed you were doing.
Yes, you have. You said you're detaining me under Section 43. You're suspecting me of being a terrorist. You're a nutter. That's what you are.
After repeatedly avoiding the question, the sergeant finally says the detention is under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act. However, when Yardley asks for the grounds, the sergeant claims it is because he was recording police vehicle number plates. That explanation raises serious questions. Vehicle registration plates are displayed publicly and can legally be seen and recorded by anyone in a public place. Simply filming number plates is not, by itself, a criminal offense or evidence of terrorism. In this case, there is no clear evidence that Yardley was specifically targeting number plates. He was simply filming the police station from a public area, which is generally a lawful activity.
You going to give anyone your details?
I don't need that to do that either. You unlawfully touched me, right? And I'm going to make sure. What's your number? All of your numbers.
But
you also give us your details.
No, go on. What's your? I'm going to film you.
636 AW.
Where are you based at?
Here.
I want to stop search now.
You're doing the stop search.
What's your number?
What's your name?
I can't see your number.
What's your name?
I cannot see your number.
There you go.
I can't see it. You don't know if I've got a disability. Please tell me your number.
You're filming it.
Please tell me your number.
1637.
Thank you.
What's your name?
3461 PC Gully.
Okay, I want to stop search. I want a CAD for this. You can't just come and do stuff like that.
Mate, you're recording.
No, don't call me mate either. I'm not your mate.
Gate.
I can be here.
You can be here.
Well
but that
then.
doesn't make it not suspicious.
I don't care if it's suspicious. I can be here. I'm doing something legal.
Yeah.
Until I become criminal. So you think you've got the right to just grab hold of people, twist up my arm. Ah! Look. Look how you've twisted my arm. You just come along and just jumped on. Oh, he told you. He didn't tell me anything. Section 43 of the Terrorism Act. Under what reason? What? So that means you can just go around, stop people on the street and tell them Section 43?
Can I tell you something?
Go on then.
If every time I try to talk, you talk over me.
Go on, tell me then. Just tell me then. Go on, tell me.
You're talking over me again.
Well, tell me.
That's not how conversation works.
Tell me then.
Okay? So if you want, you can listen to what I have to say.
I am going to listen.
and
So
then
just tell me. You don't need to go into all that.
Talking over me.
I'm talking. So tell me.
So as I said, I arrived here. My colleague explained again to you his grounds, okay? And he asked me to assist with the search, which is why I did.
Okay. So what was his grounds?
Okay.
What was his grounds?
You were filming inside the police
What was the
station.
section?
Filming Section 43 of the Terrorism Act.
Okay.
You're filming vehicles, okay, in their rear ends, okay? And obviously there's people coming in custody, this vehicle going in custody, and that can raise suspicion, especially when a person is a bit hostile.
It shouldn't raise suspicion if I'm doing nothing illegal. If I'm doing, listen to me, now you listen to me. If I'm doing nothing illegal and I don't need to tell you things, why then are you trying to say to me it's suspicious that I'm not telling you? Because I don't need to. That's law.
People don't have to tell
well
us,
then.
okay, but that
so therefore it doesn't matter.
Okay.
I'm not doing anything wrong. Was I doing anything wrong?
Suspicious behaviour is not the same as illegal. That's
Was I doing
all we're
anything
telling
wrong?
you You're doing.
What,
You're not doing
how
anything
suspicious
illegal.
was I? By doing what?
By looking through and filming into a police yard.
Into an open gate.
The officers continue to insist that Yardley's behavior was suspicious, but lawful behavior alone does not automatically justify police powers. Filming in a public place is legal, and Yardley was under no obligation to explain why he was doing it. The sergeant even admits that suspicious behavior is not necessarily illegal. While that statement is true, it also highlights the central issue. If there is no clear evidence of criminal activity, using one of the strongest stop and search powers available requires careful legal justification. This interaction raises important questions about whether the legal threshold for using Section 43 had actually been met.
You tried to escalate it, and you have escalated. Do you know what I'm doing here? I told you already.
Yeah.
I'm pointing the camera, and the light sensors and the frontons are catching anything that the eye can see. That's what I'm doing here, legally. The reason why I didn't say anything to you, I'll explain this. You're in plain clothes. You could be anybody. Right. And because you could be anybody, I don't need to tell you anything. Now, you didn't identify yourself, right? And because you didn't identify yourself and you touched me, you assaulted me, right? In the very beginning. Before you detained me, you assaulted me. Because I said to you, who are you? And you refused to tell me. Now, if that's not being a corrupt police officer, I don't know what is. Because if I ask you who you are, you should have told me. Not try to get me on something which you feel is suspicious. I think you not identifying yourself is very suspicious. What have you got to hide? Huh? What have you got to hide?
It's not a conversation.
What have you got to hide? Oh, it will go somewhere. Don't worry about that.
This is the point where the sergeant's mistakes become most obvious. The entire encounter could likely have been avoided if he had approached calmly, properly identified himself, and clearly explained his reason for speaking to Yardley. Because he was in plain clothes and failed to identify himself immediately, Yardley was understandably cautious about engaging with him. Rather than following proper procedure, the sergeant appeared to take offense at being questioned and responded by physically restraining Yardley. Professional policing depends on communication, transparency, and following correct procedures, not allowing frustration to control the situation.
Why did you not identify yourself?
I have identified
Why did you not
myself.
identify? You didn't.
Several times.
None of them. I just want the none.
You refused.
Just-
Okay, no worries.
What did you say?
I've identified myself to you several
What?
times.
After detaining me?
Yes.
After detaining
Yes,
me.
after
Okay,
detaining
cool.
me.
I'm glad you said it after.
Thank you.
Because that's illegal. How can you stop somebody and pull them up and yank them up and then afterwards say that you're detaining them without identifying yourself? What have you got to hide? Tell me. Are you one of those 100 or 1,000 police officers that are being vetted and been seeing if you've done anything wrong in your career? Have you done anything wrong in your career? Have you been misogynistic? Huh? Are you part of any WhatsApp groups? Huh? Are you being investigated by the police like IOPC? Is that why you didn't want to identify yourself? Joker.
Okay, thank you. Off you go.
No, tell me, undetain me.
You are undetained from your search.
Yeah, and next time I can go where I want, right? Don't
And
try
next
to stop
time,
me.
It will still
Don't
be
try
suspicious,
to stop me.
so get out.
After the search finds nothing suspicious, the sergeant tells Yardley to leave. However, he never clearly states that the detention has ended. That may seem like a small detail, but it is an important procedural step. Under PACE guidance, people should be made aware of their legal status, including when they are free to leave. By failing to make that clear, the sergeant leaves unnecessary uncertainty about whether the detention has actually finished. Yardley is the one who has to point this out, reminding the officer of a basic part of the procedure that should have been followed from the beginning.
It's publicly
It's not
accessible.
public.
It
This
is.
isn't public.
It is.
Let's get
I've
going.
already had this conversation. Didn't you stop me from leaving? You stopped me from leaving,
Yes,
didn't you?
because I
yeah,
then
you stopped me
detained
from
you for
leaving.
research.
Get lost.
Thank you.
Foxtrot
Get going.
Oscar.
Go away.
Foxtrot Oscar.
Go on. Get going.
You touch me
Go
again,
away.
and that will
Go.
definitely be another.
Go away
If he
now.
touches me again, I want him
ask
arrested.
yourself- okay,
If he touches me again, I want him
Can you
arrested.
listen? Can you listen to what I
I am
have to
going
say?
of my own. What do
That's
they
fine,
call it?
that's fine.
I'm walking of my own
your
time.
will, okay.
I'm not. Listen, I'm
We're
walking
trying to
away.
work the- okay.
Yeah, he's following me.
Sir.
He's coming up to me. He's causing me harassment, alarm, and distress.
But you are
and
still
got
here.
Be mindful of
No,
people
don't
coming
tell
in
me
and out because they're
anything
gonna run you all
whatsoever.
the way.
Please,
be
just go
mindful,
away.
okay?
Just go away. No, just go. Just go. I mean, if you're going to have a conversation with me, have a conversation. If not, I don't know what you're hiding for, standing there. You're a sergeant.
I just think you need to go get a real job, buddy. That's all.
I think you need to go and get a life after saying that, sergeant. I'm going to be here for a little while longer now. You're rude. How's your mum? How's your mum? Oh wow, that wasn't very nice. Considering when PC Carlin said it to me and I put it through to the complaints team, they said it was a polite conversation starter.
The final moments of the encounter leave a poor impression. After the first sergeant leaves, Yardley repeats a comment that an officer had previously directed at him, "How's your mum?" When Yardley had complained about that remark in the past, it was dismissed as harmless conversation. However, when he repeats it back, another sergeant responds by making an offensive hand gesture before walking away. That behavior falls well below the level of professionalism expected from a police officer. The value of public auditing is that these interactions are recorded exactly as they happen. The footage provides an objective record of the encounter and allows the public to judge the conduct for themselves. According to Yardley, the case was later handled by HNK solicitors and ended with a settlement of £750 in compensation. Cases like this highlight the importance of officers following proper procedures, communicating professionally, and exercising police powers lawfully. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to support independent coverage. Also, don't forget to check out Yardley Ski. His channel is linked in the description. Show him some support, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.